Wow, all this hell.
Oh, Rocky.
Man, everybody's got their own device. What's up? Where's Lizzie's device? Where's your device? Being a recording device. Whoa, the hell's getting bigger. Oh my God. Talk about dense.
You know, suck.
Careful, Nelly. Don't get your head out there.
You
You're
know,
gonna get hurt.
suck. If your car got hit by a big one.
Well, they are getting hit. Hell in Florida, I can't believe it. So far down south, about 150 miles away from Miami. Just to give you an idea how far south we are, we're in Lehigh Acres, Florida. Flooded up against my pavers. Raining like crazy. All this running off the roof. Families here. Let's see. Nelly, say hi.
Hi.
Dominic, say hi. Hi, guys.
Oh my God.
Everybody, guys.
Hi, baby.
No.
Woohoo!
Woo, that was a little chill.
Wait.
Move, everybody. Move.
Nick, run across. Make sure you don't get brain damage with the bullet.
I will.
Oh man, that's gonna hurt. You wanna try it?
Yes.
Try it.
Are you serious?
It's up to your mother.
No.
I don't think it'll kill him.
Oh. Let me do it. Let me do it.
It'll get him
It'll hurt you, man.
Let me do
to the
it.
doctor tomorrow.
Look at Rocky got hurt.
Can I do it?
Rocky got hit. Rocky got hit.
Can I do it? Let me do it.
Go, 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 go! I want to do it with a mode.
I want to do it, but I'm old.
Let me do it. Woohoo! I didn't get hit. Did anything hit you?
No, it's just in the leg.
Wow.
Mom, look. I got some of it. Real stuff from the ground. I'm touching the cloud.
I don't know if I want you to get all that wet though. You might get sick.
You better go change clothes.
I will.
Man, you can hear all that.
I think you're staying for a while, April. I think you're staying for a while.
Bring a piece of ice. Let me see a big one. Wow. He got it in the head.
Nelly. I'm not playing with you. You did this last time, I should spank you.
Okay.
Wow. Let me see. Can you eat this ice? Or is it poisonous?
It hurts a little bit.
Wow. This is like
Look, it tastes like pizza.
Look at how sharp it is on some sides. Poisonous ice. I want to bite it.
Really poisonous?
I have no idea. I'm sure it is.
Make sure where that ice was, Rocky didn't poop in.
In the backyard.
Hold that, Tony.